Hello students, welcome back. Some of the students had a doubt which production to write, how to write productions, when to include epsilon and all that. So let me give you some hints. Say there is a production like S produces A or B or epsilon. It means A is a terminal. First thing is towards the left you should always have a capital letter. Okay. You cannot have something like A produces B. This is wrong. Okay. You cannot write epsilon produces AB, something like this. Epsilon is a empty string. Epsilon will never produce anything in a CFG. And then if you write A produces B, A is a terminal. This also cannot produce anything. It is always one single letter. Say for example, AB produces C. If you write like this is also wrong. Okay. So in a CFG, the productions will be of the form A produces alpha, where alpha belongs to V union T whole star. So alpha is in the right hand side, you can have either variables or terminals or epsilon. So A produces epsilon is perfectly fine. S produces epsilon is fine. But when if the start symbol is producing epsilon, then it should be fine. So A produces A is fine. B produces B. This is also fine. Okay, all these represent the CFG. Now, say for example, I have a production. S produces A, S, A. What does it mean? Say, yes, this single arrow indicates production. This indicates derivation. So I'm applying the production in the derivation. So S produces ASA. Wherever I have S, I can put, see this A I will keep as it is. For this S I will put ASA. This A I will keep it as it is. So I can put it as many number of times as I want. For this I will write ASA. These two A's I will keep it as it is. So this side it is 3 A's. This is the S, then followed by 3 S. I can write it as many number of times as I want. So this is a recursive definition. But how do I end this? I cannot drop this S just like that. So I should have a production like S produces epsilon. So whenever I see that S produces epsilon, I will say A. This I am going to put epsilon. So again this would be A. Okay. So now let me see one more example. S produces BSB. It means for every B I am generating a B. So whenever I have this B, for this I will put BSB. This B I will keep it as it is. Same thing when I want to end the production. So I will put epsilon for this. I'll be getting B. Okay. So this is for every B I'm generating a B. For every A I'm generating a A. Now look at this production. Say if I write S produces A, S, B. It means when I want to match the number of A's with number of B's, or S produces B is A. I want to match the number of B's with number of A's. I use this kind of a production. When I want to end, I can put epsilon. So let me derive some strings and show you. S produces A, S, B. For one A, I'm generating one more. For A, I have a B. So A, for this, let me put the second rule or second production. B, S, A. This B, I will keep it as it is. So now for this I will put epsilon. It becomes AB. Okay, so this is equal number of A's and B's if I want to generate. So this is how it is. Let me show you one thing. Rather than writing A, yes, A, if I write S at the end, then what happens? Like this. B, B, yes. Like this. If I write like this, what happens? Now, yes, produces A. For this, yes. Let me, yeah, first time A, yes. Now, A. For this, yes, I will put B, yes. Now, A, B. For this, again, I will put A, yes. When I want to end, probably I will put one epsilon. So it would be A. Instead, if I write S produces ASA or BSB, then what happens? For every A, I'm generating a. For every B, I'm generating a B. If that is the case, S produces ASA. This I will write A. For this again one more ASA. This is A. For this I will take BSB. For this, yes. 2 is I will keep it as it is. Whenever I want to end, this is BAA. So as I can see, I'm generating the palindromes here. Okay. The strings are totally different. So here AAS and ASA both are giving different patterns. Okay. So that is a difference. Now I will show you something like this. A produces AA or small a. Here, these examples, see, for every A, we generated in A. For every A, we generated a B here. Here, for every B, we generated a B. So, there was a control on the count of A's and B's. But when we write like this, we want to generate any number of A's. There is no control on that. So in that case we will use A produces AA. Okay, only A's. I'm generating only A's. No, sorry. This A I will keep it as it is. For this A I will write A produces AA. This AA I will keep it as it is. For this AA. When I want to end, I will put A for this. A. Similarly, I can write B produces BB or epsilon. When I want to end, I can either write A or epsilon depending upon the question. So if I have a production like this, B produces BB. For this, I will write BB. When I want to end, I will put epsilon here. So it would be BB. I can put it any number of times. So what is this production doing? This is repeatedly producing only B's. This is repeatedly producing only A's. But these kind of productions, they are, producing dependency. So that is about the productions. When to write what kind of production.